English phrases for daily conversations, English expressions to sound natural, English idioms that make you speak like a native. You're listening to the Speak English podcast, and today we are diving into must-know English phrases that will help you speak smoother, faster, and way more naturally. I'm Augustus, your English-speaking buddy, and if you're ready to take your spoken English from robotic to real, you're in the right place. Quick shout out. If you're loving this vibe, hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. Now buckle up, because this one's going to be loaded. All right, let's kick things off with casual phrases you'll hear every single day. These are the ones native speakers throw around like confetti, and you need them in your toolkit. Let's break them down. No worries. This means it's okay or don't worry about it. Like when someone says, sorry, I'm late, you can say, no worries, I'm down. If someone invites you to dinner and you say, I'm down, it means, yes, you're in. Super casual, super native. For sure. Another way of saying absolutely or definitely. Like, A, want to grab coffee later? B, for sure. You good? This is a quick way to check on someone. If someone looks stressed, just say, you good? It's short and caring. I'm on it. It means I'm already handling it. Like if your boss says, we need to fix the report, you can say, I'm on it. These are short, punchy, and make you sound chill and confident. Rewind this part and practice them in your voice. Let's roll into part 2. Now, let's clean it up and step into polite professional English. Great for the office, customer service, or even just sounding respectful. Would you mind? More polite than can you? Instead of can you email me the file? Say, would you mind emailing me the file? I appreciate it. A warmer way to say thanks. Thanks for waiting. I really appreciate it. Let me get back to you. This is your lifesaver phrase when you don't know the answer yet. That's a great question. Let me get back to you on that. I just wanted to follow up. Classic email phrase. Means you're checking in without sounding pushy. At your earliest convenience. Instead of saying ASAP, which can sound bossy, say, please send it at your earliest convenience. Want to sound like a pro? Use these in emails, meetings, or even with your in-laws. Let's level it up next with real-world native English. Here's the juicy part. Phrases native English speakers use without even thinking. These are often not in textbooks, but 100% real-world English. That's on me. It means it's my fault. Like if you forgot to send the invite, say, oops, that's on me. I'm feeling under the weather. Means you're a little sick. Not serious, just low energy. You can call in sick and say, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Hit the nail on the head. Means you got it exactly right. You think it's because of bad planning? Yep, you hit the nail on the head. It's not my cup of tea. A polite way to say, I don't like it. Like reality TV's not my cup of tea. I'll pass. Casual way of saying no thanks, like wanna go clubbing tonight? Nah, I'll pass. These phrases are native DNA. Use them, and people will go, whoa, you sound like a local. Let's talk emotions next. Language is emotion. So let's look at how to express feelings naturally. The real, authentic way. I'm over the moon. Means you're super happy. Like, I passed the test, I'm over the moon. I'm freaking out. Feeling nervous, panicked, excited. It works for all. My visa appointment is tomorrow. I'm freaking out. I'm beat. Means you're really tired. After work, I'm totally beat. This sucks. Means something is really annoying or disappointing. I missed the bus. Ugh, this sucks. That made my day. A little phrase, big emotion. You brought me coffee? That made my day. Feelings make your English real. Don't just learn words. Learn how to show emotion with them. All right, time for small talk power-ups. These keep the conversation flowing so you don't hit that awkward silence. You know what I mean? Use it to confirm understanding. It was such a long day. You know what I mean? I mean, helps you explain yourself. I mean, I get why they're upset. Like, yeah, we all use it. She was like, super rude. Anyway, great way to move the convo forward. Anyway, what were you saying? Honestly, add this when you're being real. Honestly, I think we need a break. These are the glue between your sentences. Master them, and you'll never run out of things to say. Boom! You just got a crash course in everyday English phrases, from casual slang to pro-level talk to real-life small talk. If you want to speak English naturally, this is your jam. Rewind this episode, repeat the phrases out loud, and sprinkle them into your day. And hey, if this episode made you smile, nod, or say, "Ooh, that's useful," hit subscribe and join the Speak English fam. This is Augustus, signing off with one last phrase. Keep it real, keep it you, and keep speaking English.